friends. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Welcome back to the Football Mania to bring you all the latest news, updates, and insights from the world of football. So, as we all know, that the transfer window is still ongoing, and we still have roughly 3 weeks for it to end. And until then, there are some potential, some exciting deals which can take place, and we are expecting a few more signings for many big clubs. And for many days now, we have seen that the future of Harry Kane has been under big speculation, and there are rumors and reports which suggest that he might be moving to the Etihad to complete a big money move to Manchester City. Manchester City is a club which has already bid £100 million to get the elite striker from Tottenham Hotspur. However, Tottenham have rejected that bid, and Daniel Levy, their club chairman, is of the opinion that Harry Kane is a player of a valuation close to £130 million, and anything less than that will not be entertained by Tottenham. And Manchester City are a club who can go to any extent to sign a player. We all know that. And Pep Guardiola will do anything to get Harry Kane because he's already potentially going to sign Jack Grealish in the midfield, and the inclusion of Harry Kane will just make them way stronger than any other team in the Premier League. And we all came to know that Harry Kane didn't report to the training for 2 consecutive days, which again, brought all the questions and brought more speculation surrounding his future. Whether is he in isolation or does he seriously want to leave? And we also know for a fact that he has already had a gentleman's agreement with Daniel Levy that he wants to leave the club, even though he signed a contract extension which keeps him at Tottenham till 2026. Having said all this, in my personal opinion, Harry Kane is a world class player. He deserves to be in a team which fights for trophies each and every season. And Manchester City is one such hot prospect for him. He was also linked with the clubs like Real Madrid in the past. However, that didn't transpire, and many clubs are in the lookout for him. He is still at his prime. Every season, he delivers close to 20 to 25 goals on an average, and including all the competitions which a club has to play in a single season, he roughly creates more than 10 assists. So, for anyone who is doubting Harry Kane's abilities, I would say go and check his stats, and you'll come to know how elite a striker he is. And for many days, we have seen that the speculation is just going on and the drama is not ending. We want it to end, however, and come to a settlement that Harry Kane, being the striker he is, he has to finally, make up his mind. For many days, he has been seen, isolating himself, and he has been saying that he wants to potentially leave, but the club's chairman is very stubborn in his approach, and all he wants to make is money. And until and unless Tottenham signs those quality players who can, deliver, and as a team they can perform at the highest level, it will remain a banter club because they haven't won trophies for many seasons now. And if this trend continues, they will be on a gradual decline. And Harry Kane knows for a fact that investments in this club are hard to come by. And Daniel Levy will be very stubborn. It is very difficult for anyone to go against him in that club. It's a monopolistic club in my opinion, and Fabrizio Romano is the insider who usually tweets, and the here we go statement is very popular around the world. And in the transfer market, anything can happen till deadline day. So even though Harry Kane will be returning to training according to reports in the weekend, he'll be returning to Tottenham Hotspur's training, but there is no guarantee that he will, come the start of the season, he will be a Tottenham player because Manchester City can, break the bank and they can splash the cash. It's as simple as that. Nowadays, money dictates football, and the market value of every player is rising. And for sure, Harry Kane is definitely worth more than £100 million, which was the initial bid. So, if he really wants to leave, what is the best situation? Daniel Levy gets the money which he's looking for out of Harry Kane, and Manchester City bids additional 20 to 30 million pounds to get the big money move for Harry Kane. And guys, if you really feel that Harry Kane will be finally making his big money move to Manchester City, drop in your comments, and I would be interested to know what you feel as a football fan, like in terms of Harry Kane's qualities, and will he be a good fit at Manchester City? Everything has to be answered, and I'll be very interested to know your comments. So guys, if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it amongst your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can bring you all the latest updates and news from the football world. So until next time, stay safe and take care.